Add a text box. And type your text. Resize the text. And place it at the top of your design. Duplicate the text multiple times, press Ctrl+D. Place one of the text layers at the bottom of your design. Select all the text layers. Click on the three-dot icon. Space evenly. Tidy up. The text layers are now perfectly aligned. You can also do this with elements, for example lines. Resize the line. And place it at the top of your design. Duplicate the lines several times, press Ctrl+D. Place one line at the bottom of the design. Select all the lines. Click on the three-dot icon. Space evenly. Tidy up. And that's how you perfectly align text or elements.